Hello friends, Namaste. We are going to learn grafting. So how to select scion? If you want to you can say. If you don't want to, you can say defoliated such type of a scion on the you can say choosed or selected mango which you like. So you do not have to you can say defoliate it on the tree, and you can take same on the same day quickly you can say. So such type of a scion should be used which are you can say pointed or growing buds should be there. Now how to do grafting on big trees? They already we learnt about you can say bark grafting. So second way of you can say changing the quality of big trees. So for that what you have to do? You have to cut the such type of a big trees from the 4 feet or 3 feet or 2 feet, understand, as you wish, understand. You can select the height as per your convenience. So now as you will cut you can say from you can say in January month, January is the best month for cutting such type of big trees, and automatically such type of branches will come out, and in after 6 months or 7 months, means from July, you will have to you can say start your grafting. So types of grafting we can do on the number of branches. Consider that if there are 25 or 50 branches, you can shift or fit such type of different types of variety on the same mango tree, and you have to take such type of a different quality scions for fitting or shifting on these branches. Such a way on a single tree after 3 or 4 years you will get fruitings. So that will be the miracle. So what type of means you can say grafting you can do here? You have to cut first all the branches from 1 to 2 feet height, and you can shift it by side grafting, by V grafting, and by clipped grafting. And all this grafting we learnt in past videos already. Now this one is a you can say grafting. We are going to do it. Now we are going to shift it by side grafting. Now for side grafting you have to cut you can say such type of a cut vertically from leaving the top portion, and cut such type of you can say branch 30%, and you have to fit that scion which is cut V shape, and cut should be up to 4 to 5 centimeter, as that the same cut should be made in that branch also where we are going to fit the scion. Now already I told you that means 51 micron or 50 microns polythene tape we have to use, and how to bind it already I told you in past you can say my past videos, how to you can say tie or wind these scions, and that should be airtight, means that should be compact, and you have to add it is going to complete that winding. You have to you can say prepare such type of a thread like structure by stretching, because it has plasticity, and as it is going to end you have to insert that top end from such a way. Now it is stretched again, and you have to take out from last winding this end, and you have to stretch it by such a way it will not unwind. Now we are going to do such type of you can say grafting again. The best month for you can say grafting is July to October, means last week of June to. And temperature what type of how much temperature should be for the mango grafting or other clipped grafting or such type of grafting? You have to see whether it must be 25 to 30 degrees Celsius is the best. And another thing is that now we have you can say shifted this scion in clipped ways. Consider that you can use also bark grafting here if the branch is more than in size than the thumb size, and hard it is you can say hard portion is there, then you can use bark grafting. By already we have kept such type of videos of bark grafting where only bark is used for shifting it. Now this one is a cut which is you can say we have done here with hard portion. That bark is hard portion that bark already, and that cut should be not from the center, it is you can say in the edge, at the edge of that you can say, but that cut should be with hard portion, and that cut should be about 4 to 5 centimeter, and the same cut of V size should be of 4 to 5 centimeter in length, and you have to fit it by such a way that one side of the bark of that cyan should coincide with the one side of that branch, and then start your winding or moving the tape round to the cyan plus you can say branch tightly. Means ear should not be there, tightly you have to you can say wind it or move that tape, and the tape is stretchable already. I prepared my one video based on how to means prepare you can say tape or strips of polythene. Now we have completely winded tightly. Now that is the ending of you can say tightness, and you have to pour one, that is the top end of that you can say plastic. Such a way you have to graft all the branches which are on the top of that cut part. And what type of a precaution you have to take after success of cyan? Whenever cyan will give more than you can say 12 or 15 leaves completely grown, then you have to unwind all the plastic which are wound into the cyan and the branches by with the help of knife or you can say blade. So you will get fruitings after